Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you about rules to finding significant figures. So there are only 5 rules to find significant figure. Rule number 1: non-zero digits. All non-zero digits are always significant figure. Or non-zero digits means 1, 5, 8, 6, 58, 17, whatever. So in this example, 1, 0. So there is only one is a non-zero digit. So there is only one significant figure in number 1, 0. Next example, 12. 1 is also a non-zero digit, 2 is a non-zero digit. So these both are non-zero digits. So there are two significant figures. 7, 6, 1, all three are non-zero digits. So there are three significant figures. Rule number 2 says zeros between two significant figure are also significant figure. Means if a zero comes between any two non-zero digit means significant figure. So in this rule says that if a zero plays between two non-zero digit or two significant figures, so this zero will count as a significant figure. So there are three significant figures. This zero is placed between 5 and 4, so this zero will also count as a significant figure. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. Third example, 1170. Now this zero is not placed between two significant figures. Means there is not any significant figure, no any non-zero digit. So in this example, 1, 2, 3, only three significant figures. Now fourth example, 0, 2, 2, 3. 0 is not placed between two significant figure. On the right side there is a significant figure, but on the left side there is no any digit, no any non-zero digit or no any significant figure. So this 0 will not count as a significant figure like this 0. So 2, 2, 3, there are three significant figures. Next rule number 3. In this rule we can say final or ending 0 like this. This 0 is a ending 0, final 0. On the right in decimal fraction, this number is in decimal fraction, and this 0 is at the right of after the decimal fraction. So this 0 which is ending 0 and after the decimal, and also after a significant figure, this 0 is after a decimal and after a significant figure or also significant figure, then now this 0 will also count as a significant figure. Now, in this example we can say this 0 is placed, it comes after 5 is a significant figure and after decimal, so this 0 will count as a significant figure. So there are four significant figure in this example. Next example, 25.00. both 0 are comes after decimal. Now we check both 0 are also come after a significant figure. So yes, both 0 are comes after decimal as well as significant figures. Means this 0 is come after decimal and also there is two significant figures. So this 0 will also count as a significant figure. Now let's see this example number 3. 1 is a non-zero digit, it is a significant figure. 2 is a non-zero digit, that's why it is a significant figure. Now what about these 0? We see the third rule. According to third rule, both these zeros come after decimal and as well as come after these two significant figures. What about these two zeros? So according to rule number 2, if 0 placed between two non-zero digits, then the 0 will also count as a significant figure. Means 1 and 2 is a significant figure. These 0 is also significant figure according to rule number 3. Now 1, 2 is significant figure, 0, 0 is significant figure. So these two 0 is placed is these two 0 are come between these two significant figures. So according to rule number 2, if the 0 is placed between two significant figure or non-zero digits, then this 0 will also count as a significant figure. So in this example there are 6 significant figures. Means all digits becomes significant figure. Now what about this example? uh, 5 is a non-zero digit, that's why according to rule number 1 this is a significant figure. What about this 0 and this 0? So according to rule number 3, this 0 is come after a decimal, but this 0 is not come after any significant figure, means if there is no significant figure before this 0, so 0 is not a significant figure, so this 0 will not count as a significant figure. Let's suppose if I wrote 3. So now what will be the answer? So if we write 3, so we check the rule number 3. This 0 will come after a decimal, as well as 3 is a significant figure. So this 0 will also come after a significant figure. Then in this case 0 will count as a significant figure. But in this example, there is no significant figure before decimal. It is a 0. So in this example, both these zeros are not counted as a significant figure. That's why there is only one significant figure. Rule number 4. Zeros written on the left side of the decimal point for the purpose of spacing the decimal point are not significant figure. Means these zeros which are used for spacing these 0, 0.0 and 0.00, these starting 0, this not count as a significant figure. So in this example 1 and 2, there is no significant figure. 2 and 8 are significant, and 2 and 8 are significant figures, and this 0 is placed between significant figures according to rule number 2. So there are 3 significant figures. In this example, 2 are non-zero digit, that's why they are significant figure. And what about this 0? So according to rule number 3, this 0 is come after decimal and also after a significant figure. But you can ask me, sir, there is a 0 that are come after decimal, but they are not significant figure. So the answer is yes, these 0 are come after decimal, but these 0 are not come after any significant figure. But this 0 is come after a decimal as well as any significant figure. So these 2 digits are significant. So there are 3 significant figures. Last, rule number 5. Numbers expressed in scientific notation has same rules. Ignore exponent and its power. Means these numbers which you can see has a same rule. According to rule, you can apply all 4 rules and check they are a significant figure. Rule number 5 just says that ignore exponent and its power. So if I count this number, how many significant number? So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 significant figures. Look, there is a 4 significant figure. So ignore this exponent and power.